After 10 years of refinement, the Cabrinha Switchblade is held as the benchmark for which all crossover freeride kites must aspire to. Its success lies in its uncommon blend of high performance and easy use. The Switchblade will easily cross over from freeriding to freestyle to surf on any given day. The common element between each of these riding styles is precise handling. And this is where the Switchblade shines. Providing maximum control with a light bar touch, the high-performance profiles deliver the power needed in light winds and the ability to dump power at will in stronger winds. This gives the Switchblade the type of range needed to extend your sessions even when the winds are up and down. The 5-strut design holds the canopy true to its shape regardless of the wind conditions or the angle of attack. You'll love the combination of light bar pressure and direct steering feel. Together with the enhanced profiles, you get great hang time in boosts, fast, smooth turns during loops, and the ultimate park and ride stability with an effortless relaunch. The new 2015 Switchblade from Cabrinha, the most versatile crossover kite available, with 10 years of proven performance backing it up.